Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Maithili Gauri Shankar, explaining you today SYIT Semester 3 Applied Mathematics Complex Numbers. We are going to see the topic hyperbolic functions. In that, differentiation and integration how we want to use. These are the basic formulas of differentiation. Differentiation of sin HU. H is the hyperbolic function. So differentiation of sin HU is cos HU du. Differentiation of cos HU is sin HU du. Differentiation of tan HU is secant h square u du. Similarly, for differentiation of cot HU is cot minus cosec h square u du. Differentiation of sec HU equal to minus sec HU tan HU du, and differentiation of cosec HU is minus cosec HU cot HU du. These are the formulas that is coming under hyperbolic function. Under differentiation, derivative is we have seen already, and derivative of inverse of hyperbolic function is given here. Derivative of sin h inverse of u is 1 upon root of 1 plus x square. Cos h inverse of x is 1 minus 1 by root of x square minus 1. Tan h inverse of x is 1 by 1 minus x square, etc. So these are the formula we have already seen now for inverse function under hyperbolic functions. Derivative of inverse hyperbolic function. This is also another slide where a is given in the place of 1. These are the formula we have already discussed. Integral of hyperbolic function. Integration of cos hx dx equal to sin hx plus c. Integration of sin hx plus dx is cos hx plus c, and integration of secant h square x dx equal to tan hx. Integration of minus cosec hx cot hx dx is cosec hx. Integration of minus sec hx tan hx dx equal to secant hx, and integration of minus cosec h square x dx equal to cot hx dx plus c. These are the integration formula. So again we are having some of the integration formula here. Graph of the hyperbolic function, how it is take place. It is given here. Y equal to sin hu. The graph is given in the first figure. Y equal to cos hu is second figure. Tan hu is in third. Cot hx in the fourth. Y equal to secant hx and y equal to cosec hx in down the diagrams are given. Graph of the hyperbolic functions. Hyperbolic identities. Like trigonometry, we are also having the hyperbolic identities. Cosec h square minus sin h square x equal to 1. Tan h square x plus secant h square x equal to 1. Cot h square x minus cosec h square x equal to 1. Similarly, as trigonometric, sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a plus b. Here we are having sin h x plus or minus y equal to sin hx cos hy plus or minus cos hx sin hy. Cos hx plus or minus y equal to cos hx into cos hy plus or minus sin hx into sin hy. Sin h 2x equal to 2 sin hx cos hx. Cos h 2xy 2x equal to cos h square x plus sin h square x. Using this all ideas of formulas, what we have seen, hyperbolic, in hyperbolic function, how the derivatives are applied, integration are applied, and then some of the identities formula we have seen. Using this we are going to see the problems. First example, solve cos h square x minus sin h square x. So we are using here hyperbolic function formula. Sin h x equal to e power x minus e power minus x upon 2. Cos h x equal to e power x plus e power minus x upon 2. Substituting these values and expanding using the formula a plus b whole square, we are getting the answer as 4 e power x minus x upon 4. So e power x minus x is 0, therefore 4 into e power 0 by 4, anything power 0 is 1, the answer is 1 here. So cos h square x minus sin h square x, which is one of the identity, the value is 1. Now the second example is 2 cos h2x plus 10 sin h2x equal to 5. Giving your answer in terms of a natural logarithm they are asking. So first we are substituting the formula of cos h2x equal to 1 upon 2 e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Sin h2x is 1 upon 2 e power 2x minus e power minus 2x. Substituting in the given question 2 cos h2x plus 10 sin h2x equal to 5. We are getting e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 5 into e power 2x minus 5 e power minus 2x equal to 5. So adding the value of e power 2x, coefficient of e power 2x, we are getting 6 e power 2x. Constant is minus 5 minus 4 e power minus 2x. Then rearranging that and considering as quadratic equation, taking x as e power 2x, solving this we are getting 3 e power 2x minus 4, 2 into 2 e power 2x plus 1. So finding the answer of e power 2x, that is equal to 4 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. The only real solution occurs is when e power 2x is greater than 0, that is at 4 by 3. So now finding the answer in natural algorithm, we are taking log both sides. So log e power 2x equal to log 1 by 4, or that gives 2x equal to log 4 by 3. That is equal to x equal to 1 by 2 log 4 by 3. This is the result of this problem. Next, if phi sin h theta minus cos h theta equal to 5, find tan h theta. All again using the hyperbolic function, sin h theta equal to e power theta minus e power minus theta by 2, cos h theta equal to e power theta plus e power minus theta by 2. Substituting, we are getting e power theta equal to x. Then again we are taking e power theta as x, substituting here 4x minus 6 upon x equal to 10. Solving this, we are getting 4x square minus 10x minus 6 equal to 0. This is again the quadratic equation, 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Solving this, we are getting x minus 3, 2x plus 1 equal to 0 as a factor. We are getting the answer as x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1 by 2. We have substituted x equal to e power theta. So e power theta equal to 3, e power theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Now what is the formula for tan h theta? E power theta minus e power minus theta upon e power theta plus e power minus theta. Substituting value 3 for e power theta, 1 by 3 for e power minus theta, we are getting the answer as 4 by 5. Similarly, substituting the value of e power theta equal to minus 1 by 2, e power minus theta equal to minus 2, we are getting the answer as minus 3 by 5. This is the answer for this problem. Now if 6 sin h theta plus 2 cos h theta plus 7 equal to 0, we want to find tan h theta. As we done before problem, we are using the same method, substituting sin h theta equal to e power theta minus e power minus theta by 2, cos h theta equal to e power theta plus e power minus theta upon 2. Substituting, we are getting the quadratic equation as 8 e power theta minus 4 e power minus theta plus 14 equal to 0. E power theta equal to x. We are substituting that. So we getting 4x minus 2 upon x plus 7 equal to 0. Then taking the LCM, 4x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0. Elaborating using the quadratic equation solving, we are getting x plus 2 and 4x minus 1 as the factor. Equating this x and finding the x value, x equal to 2, we are getting, sorry, x equal to minus 2 we are getting, and x equal to 1 by 4. So x equal to 2 means we are taking x equal to e power theta, that is equal to 2. substituting the value of e power theta equal to 2 in the tan h theta formula, we are getting 2 minus 1 by 2 upon 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 5. And similarly, x equal to 1 by 4 if we are substituting means tan h theta equal to e power theta minus e power minus theta by e power theta plus e power minus theta. We are getting the answer minus 15 by 17. Next, if sin hx minus cos hx equal to 5, we want to find tan hs. As by the above calculation, same procedure, we are getting the answer as tan hx equal to minus 12 by 13. You can use the same procedure as below above the problem and you can solve this problem. Now tan hx equal to 2 by 3, find the value of cos h 2x. So tan hx equal to 2 by 3, cos h 2x equal to 1 plus tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x equal is the formula. Substituting tan hx equal to 2 by 3, squaring that we are getting 4 by 9. Taking the LCM, we are getting 9 plus 4 by 9 upon 9 minus 4 by 9, that is equal to 13 by 5. Cos h 2x equal to 13 by 5. Next problem, prove that tan h inverse of x equal to sin h inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square. Tan h inverse of x equal to y, taking the assumption x equal to tan h y, substituting in the question sin h inverse x by 1 upon root of 1 minus x square, x value putting tan h y, we are getting sin h inverse of tan hy upon root of 1 minus tan h square y. 1 minus tan h square y equal to secant hy. So, secant h square y, taking the root, we are getting secant hy. So, elaborating this, tan hy equal to sin upon cos, that is sin hy upon cos hy. Secant hy equal to 1 upon cos hy. Cancelling cos hy, we are getting sin h inverse sin hy. Sin h inverse and sin h getting cancelled, we are getting y. Y is equal to tan h inverse of x, that is our assumption. We are getting the answer. Hence proved. If cos hx equal to secant theta, prove that x equal to log secant theta plus tan theta. Here also we are taking x cos hx equal to secant theta, x equal to cos h inverse of secant theta. Substituting the value, we are getting x equal to log of secant theta plus root of secant square theta minus 1. This formula is equal to cos h inverse of x, that is equal to log of secant theta plus root of tan square theta, as secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So, final answer is x equal to log of secant theta plus tan theta. Thank you, students. These are the formula we have seen in hyperbolic functions.